Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gooten to control production workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Gooten website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. You should now be redirected to your Gooten dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, check the email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, explore the different sections of the dashboard. To control your production workflow, navigate to the Orders section. Here, you can view, manage, and track all your orders. Use the filters to sort through your production workflow effectively. If you need to add new products, go to the Products tab. Follow the prompts to add and configure new items as needed. For more details on current orders, click on an individual order. This will open options for editing and managing that specific order. Remember to save any changes before leaving the page. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Logout. You are now successfully logged out of your Gooten account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.